Good morning, students. You will see the heading Factorials. So here, definition. Factorial of a natural number n is the product of first n natural number. It is denoted by n factorial. So factorial can be denoted as n factorial. Suppose here 3 factorial means we will write 3 into 2 into 1. For example, if 5 factorial means how will you write? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. You have to start from 5 and ending with 1. So multiply and write, that is the answer. We will see one example. Example 4.16. Example 4.16. So the question is, find the value of first part 5 factorial, second part 6 factorial minus 5 factorial, third part 8 factorial divided by 5 factorial into 2 factorial. So first part 5 factorial can be written as 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That is equal to 5 fours are 20. 20 into 3, 60. 60 into 2, 120. So answer is 120. Same way second part. 6 factorial minus 5 factorial. So 6 factorial can be written as 6 into 5 factorial. Am I right? Because we have to reduce it. Anyway, we have to reduce it. Starting from 6 and ending with 1 factorial. But the second time we have 5 factorial. So we can write 6 factorial as 6 into 5 factorial minus 5 factorial. Now this is equal to, what is common from these two terms? 5 factorial is common. So remaining 6 minus 1, that is equal to 5 factorial into 6 minus 1 is 5. Now this can be written as 5 factorial can be written as 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 5 into this 5. That is equal to 20. 20 into 3, 60. 60 into 2, 120. 120 into 5. Now to multiply 0, 0, 5 to 10, 1, then 5, 6, 600. So answer is 600. Now third part, 8 factorial divided by 5 factorial into 2 factorial. So this 8 factorial can be written as, denominator you see, what is the term we have? 5 factorial. So this 8 factorial can be written as 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into, 5 factorial. Because denominator we have 5 factorial. So this can be written as 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 factorial divided by 5 factorial into 2 factorial can be written as 2 into 1. Now 5 factorial get cancelled. Remaining 2. How many times? 4 times. So here 4 sevens are 28. 28 into 6. 6 eights are 48. 4, 12. 12 plus 4, 60. 168. Now next example 4.17. 4.17. Simplify 7 factorial divided by 2 factorial. So this is equal to 7 factorial can be written as, denominator we have 2 factorial, so this can be written as 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial. So 2 factorial get cancelled. Now we have to multiply 7 into 6, 42 into 5 4s are 20, 0, 4, 8, 840 into 3, 0, 4 3s are 12, 1, 8 3s are 24, 25, 2520, yes. Understand? The same model, exercise sum we can see. If there is a problem, we can do it, no? Yes. Exercise 4.1, question number 14. 14, fifth part. 12 factorial divided by 9 factorial into 3 factorial. So how will you solve this problem? That is equal to, here denominator, what is the greatest number? 9 factorial, am I right? So this 12 factorial can be written as 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 factorial divided by 9 factorial into, this 3 factorial can be written as 3 into 2 into 1. 9 factorial get cancelled. Here 3 how many times? 4 times. So 2 5 times. That is equal to 44 into 5. The answer is 220. 220. So the same model, just to try these problems. Okay. 14 the sum, first part. 14 the sum, first part, second part, third part, fourth part. These are the problems that we see in the example problems. Am I right? So these problems just try to do as homework. Okay. Now next example 4.18. Evaluate n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial when first part n equal to 7, r equal to 5. Second part, n equal to 50, r equal to 47. Third part, for any n with r equal to 3. Okay, here evaluate n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Here first part, n and r is given. We have to find the value of this. So n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. This can be written as, what is n? 7. 7 factorial divided by r equal to 5. It is given in the question, am I right? So 5 factorial into n. 7 minus 5 the whole factor. That is equal to 7 factorial divided by 5 factorial into 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 factorial. So this you know that 5 factorial denominator we have 5 factorial. So 7 factorial how we can write? What are the terms we can write? 7 into 6 into 5 factorial. Am I right? Divided by 5 factorial into 2 factorial can be written as 2 into 1. So 5 factorial get cancelled. 2 here how many times? 3. 7 3s are 21. So answer is 21. Same way, second part, can you try? So what is n is given? N equal to 50 or equal to 47. So substitute here, second part, n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. That is equal to 50 factorial divided by r equal to 47. 47 factorial into 50 minus 47 factorial. That is equal to 50 factorial divided by 47 factorial into 50 minus 47 is 3. 3 factorial. So this can be written as, here denominator is 47. So this can be reduced as 50 into 49 into 48 into 47 factorial divided by 47 factorial into 3 factorial can be written as 3 into 2 into 1. So 47 factorial get cancelled. Here 3 how many times? 48. 1 3 is 3, balance 1 18. 6. 6 3s are 18. Then 2. Here 25. Am I right? Now we have to multiply 25 into 49 into 16. Can you write the answer? Now come to third part. For any n is not given. For any n with r equal to 3, only r is given. So how will you find third part? N factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. That is equal to n we don't know. It is not given in the question. So n factorial divided by r is 3. 3 factorial into n minus 3 factorial. That is equal to, now generally n factorial means we know that how you write n into, what is the previous term of n? N minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, n minus 4, etc. up to 1. Am I right? So here denominator we have n minus 3 factorial. So this n factorial can be reduced as n into n minus 1 into, next term is previous term. What is the previous term? N minus 2, n minus 3 factorial. Because we are stopping here, am I right? Ending with n minus 3. So you have to put factorial divided by 3 factorial can be written as 3 into 2 into 1 into n minus 3 factorial. So these two get cancelled. Remaining we have n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 divided by 3 into 2, 6. That is the answer. Understand? Now example 4.90. Just I will read the question, note it. Take the textbook, that is page number 164. Page number 164, 4.19. What is given? Let n denote the number of days. Capital N denote the number of days. If the value of n factorial is equal to total number of hours in n days. Then find the value of n. So what it is given? N factorial equal to total number of hours. In a day, how many hours? 24. So 24 into 24 hours in n days. So into n. So we have to find the value of n factor. We have to find the value of n. So this can be written as n factorial equal to 24 can be written as suppose 4 factorial means how you write 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 4 3s are 12, 12 into 2, 24. So 24 can be written as 4 factorial into n. Now here we have two terms, am I right? 4 factorial into n. So this n factorial can be written as n into, what is the previous term? N minus 1 factorial. N minus 1 factorial equal to 4 factorial into n. Now we have to compare these two terms, right hand side and left hand side. So n minus 1 factorial equal to, what it is given? 4 factorial. So factorial get cancelled. N minus 1 equal to 4. N equal to 4 plus 1. So n equal to 5. So the value of n equal to 5. So in the textbook it is given another method. I think this is easy for you. Am I right? So n factorial equal to 24 into n. So n factorial equal to 24 can be written as 4 factorial into n. Now here we have two terms. So we have to reduce this also into two terms. So how will you write? N into n minus 1 factorial. So comparing these two sides, left hand side and right hand side, in the place of n minus 1 factorial we have 4 factorial. So factorial get cancelled. So we will get n minus 1 equal to 4, n equal to 5. Now example 4.20. So if 6 factorial by n factorial equal to 6, then find the value of n. So here 6 factorial equal to, when you cross multiply, what we will get? 6 factorial equal to 6 into n factorial. Now the 6 factorial can be written as 6 into 5 factorial equal to, here 6 into n factorial. Now again 6 get cancelled. 5 factorial equal to n factorial. Therefore n equal to 5. Understand? Once again cross multiply. 6 factorial equal to 6 into n factorial. So 6 factorial can be written as, here we have two terms. Same way 6 factorial can be written as 6 into 5 factorial. Then 6 into n factorial. So 6 get cancelled. 5 factorial equal to n factorial, therefore n equal to 5. Now example 4.21. If n factorial plus n minus 1 factorial equal to 30. Find the value of n. Find the value of n. So n factorial can be written as n factorial n into n minus 1 factorial. What is the previous term of n minus 1 plus let say n minus 1 factorial as it is, no change, n minus 1 factorial equal to 30. Now what is common from these two terms? N minus 1 factorial. So n minus 1 factorial is common, then remaining n plus 1 equal to 30. So n minus 1 factorial into n plus 1 equal to this 30 can be written as, how will you write 30 factorize means we will get 2, 15, then 3, there 5, am I right? 5. So this we can adjust as 2 into 3 is 6, am I right? So 5 into 6 or 6 into 5. Now we can compare these two terms. 6 can be written as 3 factorial, am I right? 3 factorial. That is as it is. Here n plus 1 into n minus 1 factorial equal to 6 into 5. Now equating these two terms, so we will get n plus 1 equal to 6, n equal to 6 minus 1, so n equal to 5. So answer is 6 minus 1, am I right? So when you comparing these two, we will get n minus 1 factorial equal to n minus 1 factorial equal to 6. So n minus 1 factorial equal to 6 can be written as 1 into 2 into 3, am I right? So 3 into 2, 6. So this can be written as 3 factorial. Now n minus 1 equal to 3, n equal to 3 plus 1. So n equal to 4. Answer is 4. So example 4.22. I'll just read the question. What is the unit digit of sum? What is the unit digit of the sum 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 4 factorial plus etc. 22 factorial? So here we have from 2 factorial to 22 factorial. So what is 2 factorial answer? 2. 1 into 2 we will get 2. 3 factorial is 6. Then 4 factorial is 24. Am I right? Because 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. Then from 5 factorial onwards, 5 factorial 24 into 5, that is 10. Unit digit must be 0. So from this 5 factorial onwards, whatever number when you multiply, you will get the unit digit as 0. Am I right? Suppose 5 factorial is 10. Sorry, 5 factorial is 24 into 5. That is equal to 4 5s are 22, 5 2s are 10, 11, 12, 120. So remain from 120 into any time, 0 in any time, you will get unit digit as 0. So from 5 factorial onwards, whatever numbers when you multiply with 120, you will get 0. So this is the answer. When you add these three terms, 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 4 factorial, that is equal to 2 plus 6 plus 24. Add it. 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 2, 2. So what is the unit digit? 2. So answer is 2. Therefore the required unit digit is 2. Understand? Next example 4.23. factorial plus 1 by 8 factorial plus, sorry, 1 by 8 factorial equal to a by 9 factorial. Find the value of a. So here 1 by 7 factorial plus 1 by 8 factorial can be written as, here first term is we have 7 factorial, denominator 7 factorial. So 8 factorial can be written as 8 into 7 factorial equal to a by 9 factorial. What is common from these two terms? 1 by 7 factorial. Then remaining 1 plus 1 by 8 equal to a by, here we have 7 factorial in the left hand side. So this can be written as 9 into 8 into 7 factorial. Am I right? Now 7 factorial get cancelled. So therefore LCM, take LCM. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 by 8 equal to a by 9 into 8. That is cross multiply. A into, otherwise we can cancel this 8, no? 8 get cancelled. Therefore a by 9 equal to 9. A equal to 9 into 9, 18. That is the answer. So dear students, the same model, just before that I given some problems, am I right? 14th sum, first part to 5th part. Sorry, first part to 4th part. One more sum, you add it. 6th part also homework. Okay? The same model, now like this model, same model. Another one question. 16th sum, 4.1, 16th sum, second part. So just try, otherwise we will, if you have doubt, we will clarify in the next class. Okay? Thank you, students.